is about the people. In Japanese, when they write in the letter for the people, they will write the kanji like this. And this kanji have the onyomi reading and kunyomi reading, as you see here. The onyomi reading have the two sound. It has two sound, jin, nin, jin, nin, and the kunyomi have only one sound, hito. The kunyomi is from the original Japanese sound, and the onyomi from the original Chinese sound. So when you learn Japanese, you have to know about the pronunciation of each letter or each kanji in Japanese. So if you remember, that means you can, when you read the Japanese magazine or Japanese book, you will know the pronunciation. So let's see some example for how to use this kanji. Ninki. Ninki. Ninki is mean popular, pretty, or public favor. If you come to Japan, and you will see that One Piece is very popular in Japan. So if you know about Japan, you know that One Piece is popular. Ninki, nin is mean the people, and ki, the kanji of ki is mean heart or your mind. So when you put together to be the compound, it means popularity. Dojin. Dojin. Dojin is mean same person. Do is mean, it had a meaning that the same, and jin is mean people, right? So you put the same two people, that mean the same person or the same people. You see here, dojin. Daijin. Daijin. Daijin is mean substitute or representative. In here, the kanji of dai is mean represent. It mean substitute, or it mean that you change to be represent something. So when you put the people, that mean representative or substitute of the person. For example, if you have to join the meeting but you don't go, and you send another body to go to be represent of your team, or your team, or your country's team. So that means they call daijin. Kyojin. Kyojin. Kyojin is mean giant or great man. And in here you see that the kanji of kyo is mean great or big, something like this. And when we put the kanji of jin, the kanji of hito together, it means the great man or kyojin. Ningen. Ningen. Ningen is mean human being, or a man, or the person. And in this kanji we have that the kanji of hito and the kanji of aida. So when you put together, that is mean human being. Kojin. Kojin is mean individual or private. Ningyo. Ningyo. Ningyo is mean doll or puppet. Here we have the kanji of the person and the kanji of katachi. Katachi is mean just to be something that have a shape. but no life. So when you put the kanji of people and the kanji of katachi together, it means something that like people but no life. So it means popular or doll, and read like nihongo, Eugene. This means friend. You is from the, this mean had the meaning that many people together, and it have the meaning that are friend. But when you put the kanji of hito, it mean friend. Seijin is mean adult. Seijin is mean the kanji of sei is mean from the kanji of grow. For example, people will grow from the small age to older and older, right? So when you put the kanji of seijin, is mean that the people grow from the small age to be older and older. The number is much, and the number is increased, right? They are more, for example, 18, 19, something like this. So the to be represent the word like that, they call seijin, which means adult. Jinsei is mean life or human life or your life. And the kanji of jin is mean the people, and sei is mean life. It mean your life or anybody life. So it means that you put the people and the life, which mean the